What is up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. And today I am not really doing anything as usual, per usual. But well, let me say this. When I be saying I'm not doing nothing, like, it's not that I'm not doing nothing, it's just that the stuff that I do is like sometimes, like, okay, so I just got out the shower. I'm about to clean up my room a little bit because it's dirty. I mean, it's like real dirty. I gotta see my bed. I gotta find my pillowcases. They've been missing for a little minute. Let me tell y'all, everybody that know me know that, like, I'm a neat freak, and like I be having to keep like my room clean before I leave everything. But last night I didn't have time because I had somewhere to be. And when I got home, I was so tired. Like y'all, I was falling asleep while driving. Like, that's how tired I was. Like, I was like, oh no, I gotta go to bed. So I came home and I just pushed everything on the floor and said I'm cleaning up tomorrow. And I just went to sleep. Like, I couldn't. Like, it was that bad. Like, I'm falling asleep on the road bad. Like, you know. So yeah, so I'm about to put me some clothes on, lotion my body and stuff. I'm probably gonna fix my hair. I really don't feel like it, but I need to. I'm about to put it in like a ponytail or something. Then I'm gonna go make me something to eat. And then I got work out at 12:30. Other than that, I don't really have nothing else to do today. I don't think. Anyways, y'all just stay tuned, okay? Because if I do have something, y'all gonna see whatever I do today. Y'all just gonna be in my life again today. I do have some more video ideas that I'm gonna be doing. The reason I'm not really consistent, y'all, like I should be, is because I don't have a laptop. So I'm having to record on my phone now because the computer desktop is acting crazy and I'm just over fixing it. So I really have to wait until I get me a laptop, which I will be getting it soon, hopefully. And once I get my laptop, I can start editing more and recording more, because editing on my phone is just not it. Like, I don't know, I need a big screen so I can see everything and really take my time and put real effort into editing. Like, when I edit my videos, like, it's effort into it, but it's not how I want them to be. Like, yeah. And I can't download certain softwares on my phone. But anyways, I gotta stay consistent, and I need my subscribers to start running up. I'm at 116. I was at 117. That means somebody unsubscribed. It's just okay. I mean, that's cool. I mean, you have to, but whatever. But make sure y'all liking, subscribing, sharing this video, sharing my videos. And yeah, if y'all new to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe to become one of my friends. And yeah. Okay, friends. Ooh, is my camera dirty? No, the light is bad. So, y'all, I just finished cleaning my room. I mean, you know, it wasn't really dirty, but it wasn't clean enough for me. So I just finished doing it. So now I'm about to go make me, I don't know why I just be wanting egg burritos lately. So clearly, they were cleaning up and they stopped. So don't mind that, all right? There's a lot of us live in the house. We gonna get it clean. Okay, so I'm about to clean up before I cook, because I honestly cannot cook in a dirty kitchen.
Damn, y'all.
So I just finished making my breakfast, as y'all seen. I mean, if y'all stay through that part. So now I'm about to eat. So really, this is all I got. It looks very something on camera, but guess what? It doesn't matter because it's gonna be good. So I'm just taking my jelly. Cause y'all look, okay, so workout, like, I can't eat certain stuff, even though I still do. Let me take this out. Even though I still do, I can't eat certain stuff. But like when it comes to breakfast, I really try to do right. So like, I mean, this is not really much, but it's something. It's gonna fill me up. It's gonna keep me right. And I need to hurry up because I can't eat after 10:16. I mean 10:16. What's the time? 10:30 because I work out for 12:30. So y'all know how they go. Well, y'all might. I don't know. Club Godzilla, I ain't tricking. I'm just dicking bitches down, head down. Pop that to the ground. She a freak, heart put her on the team. If you feel clean, then scream. Ah! So bad. They want to pull out because I'm pulling out. Like, so, y'all, I'm sorry for the shaking that this camera is going to do. Maybe because it's not even really balanced right. I don't even know. Let me shut the fuck up. I had to tell myself, girl, just shut up, because what are you talking about? So right now I am on the way to the motherfucking salon because I gotta do a little work. It's currently 10:53. When I leave from the salon, I'm gonna come back home, of course, and get ready, put on my workout clothes or whatever, so I can work out. Then I said I was gonna go to the mall because I want to go to this store. I want to go to this store and get this tapestry because I've been wanting it. But we're gonna see how that works. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I know I gotta work out at 12:30. So yeah, it was something else I had kind of wanted to talk to y'all about, but I honestly forgot. But if it comes back to me, then I will talk to y'all about it later. This new journey, y'all. I don't really want to say what it is right now because I'm not gonna say I'm insecure, but I'm a little still not even unsure, just scared, shy. I don't even know what to call it, but so yeah, I've taken on this new journey to start doing something that I've been wanting to do. Some people that know me gonna know what I'm talking about. People that don't know me not gonna know what I'm talking about. And so far my experience with it, it's very good. Very well, let me not say good. The experience was fun. It was cool, I actually enjoy doing it. Like, I can see myself doing it for a long time, and I love it. Like, I love it. It's just finding, y'all, this thing is so stupid. I gotta give me a better one. It's just finding the right people, that have to be in your corner to help you get what you're looking for. So friends, I am in the car and I am on my way to the gym to go work out. I'm not gonna be able to record myself because I work out with a trainer. I don't work out at like a Planet Fitness or something, so it's other people with me, so I don't know if they want to be recorded. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even real comfortable with setting my phone up in there or whatever, but yeah, so yeah, I'm really sorry about my camera acting like this because it's very stupid. I did my hair. I mean, it's a little ponytail, whatever, until I get my hair done. I want some knotted braids with the beads at the end, so hopefully my sister can hook me up soon. Yeah, and as soon as she do that, I'm gonna be looking like this or whatever. But I need to take this necklace off. But I'm about to go work out, and y'all stay tuned, friends. I am at home, and a lot has happened. It's about, I'd say about 4 o'clock. No, it's about like, it should be like 3 o'clock or something like that. Yeah, it's about 3 o'clock. And I just got home. I went worked out. Then I have to go pick my little cousin up, pick my sister up, drop them both off. So I just got home and I just got out the shower. So I'm about to wash my face and, you know, do my little night routine. And then after this, I'm about to go cook. I'm gonna make some green beans and what else I had? I think shrimp, because they ain't have chicken and I'm mad because I wanted that. So I'm gonna do some green beans and shrimp. I'm trying to get back on my healthy eating stuff. So yeah. But anyways, make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribing. Hit that bell. Y'all, I might talk to y'all and then speed it up. I think I already talked to y'all out. But in fact, I did. So never mind. Bye. Because real soon something's gonna be happening in my life. Trust the plus. Believe me when I say it, it's gonna happen. Alright, so just wanna moisturize that ring, get that in good. Yeah. And now you have good looking skin because y'all use my oil, right? Yeah, so be on the lookout for that because it's coming real soon. I promise y'all. And I know I keep saying that, but I mean, it's the truth. Look, it look like the oil's so good. Like, look at my lips. Like, I ain't even have to put no moisturization on my lips. The oil just did it for me. Like, it's like my oil, you get a 2-for-1. It moisturizes your face and your lips without even trying. Okay, friends, so I just finished cleaning up and now I'm about to cook. So I found some chicken breasts in the freezer, so I thawed them out while I was cleaning up, and I'm about to cook them. I'm about to season them first. Then I have whole green beans. And so these are the chicken breasts that I found. I mean, I'm really mad that it's not, you know, the regular kind, the way I could season it how I want. But I don't think those just say grilled. Pretty sure I don't got no seasoning on it, so I'm still gonna season it my way. So I'm gonna come way down here so y'all can see everything I'm doing because I don't really have enough space. Well, not enough space, like, so y'all can see. Y'all get it, I'm trying to. Anyway, so today I'm gonna be seasoning my chicken with lemon pepper, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, paprika, lemon pepper. Oh, I got 2 lemon peppers. Don't need both those. Salt, onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. So guys, let's get to it because I'm hungry. I'm gonna just cut it like this because I'm really not sure how to really even open this, but let's just go with the flow. Okay, so let's go. So like, is this cooked already? didn't want that chicken breast no more. So I was like, I don't. Okay, so yeah, I did not want that chicken no more because I don't know, someone right about it to me. So now I'm about to cook some fish. This is fish fillet, and I'm gonna cook it over the stove because I don't have time to wait for the oven. The oven takes too long. So right now, if y'all can see well, I'm sorry I can't see that well. I'm using some paprika. Maybe I'm using too much paprika because you know that's for the color, not too much flavor. So now I'm about to use some garlic. Some onion powder. A little bit of Cajun. Some pepper. Y'all may think this a lot of seasoning, but I promise I ain't. Just a little bit of pepper, not a whole lot of it. And pepper. So, we go here with a little bit. Maybe I should put a mask on because this seasoning is tearing me up, y'all. I seasoned this side. Now I'm finna turn it over. It's really sad how like I got the stuff and y'all can't see that well. Let's see. Y'all need to get off the way and let my let my friends see. Alright, so I'm turning it over, y'all. And now I'm about to season the other side. Okay, so I'm about to bring my fish closer so y'all can see what it looks like. Y'all kind of see, right? Really good. So I'm about to put this on the skillet. So on the skillet, well, pan, whatever y'all call it, I'm gonna be using this oil right here. Oops, sorry. Then I'm gonna add some minced garlic. Got my video. So I'm gonna use that much cooking oil. And then I'm gonna take my minced garlic. I'm about to take some minced garlic and just, you know, mix it in there. And go ahead and put the first fish down. Second fish. So y'all, I did put the same one back on that I had on earlier because like I didn't go nowhere, so I mean whatever. I'm about to put these clothes back on because they're comfortable. I just added a little more of that cooking oil just so like, you know, your fish won't burn. And it can cook well and not be dry, you know. So friends, I finished cooking and right now I'm watching Sister. I'm about to eat. I don't know why this stinky doing this. This is the food. This is gonna be really good. And I'm not gonna record myself eating. Only because I want to really enjoy my food and watch Sister. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done eating. So friends, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to do some things. I'm about to work on some things while sitting in the car because I can't concentrate in my house because it'd be too much noise. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm a little sleepy and cool. I don't know. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell, turn on y'all post notifications, and stay tuned for my next. Well, I'm gonna say this. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. No, for real. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that bell. I'm out, friends. Peace out.